AutoCAD first setup for civil engineers in First of all, please do unit setup. For this, give command UN, and here we have to do this length type in decimal, precision just 0, and here insertion scale will be in millimeters. Then click on OK. After that, set for dimension style. For this, give command D and go to on this modify and go to on primary units. Here unit format set up to decimal, precision 0, and go for feet, and here please check on this arrow and here give scale factor 100. Text placement over the dimension line with letters, and go to for this text, and here check on this aligned with dimension line. Text placement above horizontal center, offset from dimension line 1 mm, text height minimum of 2 mm, and go to for this symbols and arrow. For civil engineers, we use to this close field. Arrow size should be 1.5 mm and above the dimension line, and go to for these lines, and here every settings will be on bilayer, right? And extend beyond the dimension line 1 mm, and here also 1 mm. Check on this fixed length extension line, and here give 2 mm, and then click on OK and click on this set current, then click on close. After that, on step 3, do for page setup. For this, type MB setup MB setup in command prompt area and enable paper space no. Enter the unit type decimal. We use scale factor of 100, 1:100, so give scale factor 100 and enter the paper width. We give paper width for A3 paper size. For A3, width will be 420 mm and the height will be 297. And here is our page is ready. Now we can draw drawings here like this. 350, and save the file as name mmtemplate template.